going out for a little spin within my legal 5k circle, maybe a little bit out of the circle. Feels so good to be out in the beast. I need to give it just a little run just so the battery doesn't go dead again. It was already dead, and I've just been starting it every day or two, but it needs to get a run in, and I have the new tires, so I want to make sure they're alright. And those S22s feeling me. I'm excited because I normally always stick with Metzler, and I started a video not in the normal direction. Last, oh yes, oh baby, god damn, oh yes, all the bugs are out. It's a beautiful fucking day. Fuck yes, I love this bike. Every time I hop on this bike, oh man. But anyway, how's it going, Moto Dragon here again. I don't know if I introduced the video this time. This is a video in response to TheGorillaBiker. So he done a video basically what's your favorite era, what year should, or you know, when do you feel like you should have been born, all that good stuff. And you know, favorite era of motorcycles. So I thought I'd go out for a little rip, and I can't even go too fast up here because these bumps are an absolute nightmare. This road is fuckered. But basically, what era should I have been born in, or you know, when should I have been born, kind of stuff. When I would have liked to have been born. To be honest, I was born in the 90s, and that's when I wanted to go in. That's when I like to have been born, the year that I was born. And basically, why is that? And it goes back to what's my favorite era motorcycle. For me it has to be current era. I love the way bikes have evolved, the technology in them. Take my bike for instance, you know, comes with traction control, quick shifter, different modes. Now I love old bikes, I really do. Now I can appreciate an old bike, you know. I love the old rotary Nortons, I think they're fucking amazing. The old two strokes, you know, like the NSR 250, the Aprilia RS 250, those old bikes I love. And they're not really that old, you know, like the Norton, yeah, I think that's what, 80s, late 80s, and then the NSRs are early 90s. Current bikes and this new era of bikes are my favorite. Now, the only thing I would change is the certain restrictions. So obviously my bike being a 2018, it came with Euro 4 restrictions, and as you can hear with the when you get rid of those restrictions, oh, I just forgot to change gear, and it's all gravity out here, lovely. But when you get rid of those restrictions, man, this bike just fucking hell. The restrictions ruin the bikes, but I don't care for that. I'm alright. You know, again, like, it's easily removed, doesn't take much to remove them. €100 link pipe, and we're sorted. Oh, that was neutral. Someone's having a barbecue. But yeah, 100% modern era motorbikes are just my favorite. Now I'm trying to find my way down to a spot that I can go and rev under a little tunnel, and I don't really know whereabouts it is. I know where it is, there's an easier way to get to it, but I don't know how to get to it. Yeah, there you go, that's it. I don't know how to get to that spot. But modern bikes are my absolute favorite, and I think a lot of it is because I'm in the IT, you know, industry, the business. You know, that's what I work, that's what I grew up in. You know, obviously I grew up in the 90s, I had a MS-DOS computer, you know, all that stuff. I grew up with computers and technology, so I think naturally I'm kind of drawn a bit more to technology. And obviously again, because of, you know, my degree, I'm computer science, so that would be why as well. Modern day is just the best. I love tech, and again, I love the way the bikes have evolved with tech. Now, the only thing I actually do not like about the modern bikes Because older bikes are built to last. They're built to not break, and if something breaks, here you go, here's the part to fix it. It's not too expensive. Obviously now with all the new technology, all that stuff, everything just got that much more complicated and complex to fix. And you know, stuff is built cheap but sold expensive. Take all the parts on the bike. For me to replace this panel, this panel, and this panel is 700 fucking euro when they're so cheap. You know, they're cheap, shitty plastics, but you know, everything has a really big markup value on it now. You know, back then, you know, your old bikes just didn't break, and if they did, here's your part that's built even better. Oh, I think there's a little tunnel I want us up here. I just need to be careful of these roads because of all the gravel on them, and everyone's out. But I think a big thing about, I know the TheGorillaBiker loves the older bikes as well. I think it's just down here. And what would Grant do as well? That's because they're old fuckers. I'm a young, hip, you know, sexy young fella. They're old and smelly. So that's why. Now I thought this tunnel was up here. This does not look like a tunnel road. Am I missing something? I don't know where this is, where I'm meant to go. Where is this tunnel? I thought there was a tunnel. I came out of the wrong part. I actually haven't a fucking clue. I really haven't a clue. I love modern bikes and I love old bikes, but the era that I was born in is, I'm happy I was born in that. Now obviously I'm taking this a bit more realistic, so to speak. I wouldn't have wanted to have been born in the 2000s because I wouldn't have been old enough to buy, you know, the likes of this bike. Now is it down here? Somewhere around here? I don't know. I'm just gonna go down these roads and we'll find out. So I can't fucking remember for the life of me. I just know some of these roads are on the old dodgy side. But please, in the comments, let me know what your favourite era of motorcycle is. Is it, you know, your classics, your kind of, even, I'd say even modern classics, you know, the new era style bikes that they just upgraded and, you know, modernized. Here's Johnny! Bug free, bug fucking free. But yeah guys, please in the comments let me know what your favourite era motorbike is. What is your favourite of all motorbikes? That's what I'd like to know as well. But yeah, look, I'm going to end the video here and just enjoy my little spin. But that's the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment and subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.